What if one of the greatest off-road legends in automotive history came back stronger, tougher, and more advanced than ever before? After years of waiting, Mitsubishi is finally bringing back one of its most iconic nameplates. The all-new Mitsubishi Pajero is officially returning, and according to Mitsubishi Motors, it will make its world premiere in autumn 2026, before reaching more markets in late 2026 and early 2027. For millions of SUV enthusiasts around the world, the Pajero is much more than just a vehicle. Since its original launch in 1982, the Pajero has earned a legendary reputation for combining true four-wheel drive capability with passenger car comfort. Across 4 generations, Mitsubishi sold more than 3.25 million units in over 170 countries, making it one of the most successful off-road SUVs ever created. The new generation Pajero has been developed as Mitsubishi's flagship SUV. Unlike many modern SUVs that prioritize road performance over capability, Mitsubishi says the new Pajero stays true to its off-road heritage while introducing a new level of luxury and refinement. The SUV is built on the highly robust ladder frame platform of the Triton pickup truck, but features a specially developed cabin, suspension system, and chassis tuning created specifically for the Pajero. One of the biggest highlights is Mitsubishi's advanced Super All-Wheel Control System, also known as SAWC. This intelligent system continuously manages traction, stability, and handling across different terrains and weather conditions. Whether driving through deserts, muddy trails, rocky mountains, snow-covered roads, or city streets, the new Pajero is designed to deliver confidence and control in every environment. Mitsubishi has also focused heavily on ride comfort. According to the company, the new suspension system has been engineered to absorb rough terrain while reducing vibration and body movement on normal roads. The result is expected to be a vehicle that offers authentic off-road performance without sacrificing passenger comfort during long journeys. Inside the cabin, the Pajero combines heritage with modern technology. One feature making a comeback is the iconic triple multimeter, inspired by previous Pajero generations and the vehicle's Dakar Rally history. The new digital system displays real-time information such as altitude, compass direction, ambient temperature, vehicle pitch and roll angles, and torque distribution. These features help drivers stay informed while exploring challenging terrain. Speaking of Dakar Rally heritage, the Pajero remains one of the most successful vehicles in rally history. Mitsubishi highlights the SUV's remarkable record of 12 Dakar Rally victories, including 7 consecutive wins. The company states that the experience gained in the world's toughest rally has directly influenced the engineering philosophy behind the all-new Pajero. Designers have worked to ensure that the new model is instantly recognizable as a Pajero while introducing a modern and premium appearance. Mitsubishi says the goal was not simply to revive the old design but to evolve the Pajero's identity for a new generation of drivers. Strong proportions, bold styling, advanced technology, and flagship-level refinement are all expected to define the new SUV. The return of the Pajero is also part of Mitsubishi's long-term strategy, with the company describing it as a key vehicle that embodies Mitsubishi's off-road DNA, durability, reliability, safety technologies, and adventurous spirit. The new model is expected to become the foundation of a larger Pajero family in the future, with legendary capability, modern technology, premium comfort, and a heritage built on decades of adventure. The all-new Mitsubishi Pajero is preparing to write its next chapter for off-road enthusiasts and SUV lovers around the world. Late 2026 and early 2027 could mark the return of one of the most exciting 4x4 vehicles of the decade. If you love future SUVs, upcoming 4x4 launches, off-road vehicles, and the latest automotive innovations, subscribe to Car Garage and stay tuned for more exclusive updates on the world's most exciting upcoming cars.